palette just beautiful? Like, can we just take a moment? Hey y'all! So welcome back to my channel, and I'm like so excited for today because I purchased the all new Physicians Formula X Casey Holmes collab, the new palette she released. Isn't this palette just beautiful? Anyways guys, so I have this to talk about. I have these 3 new lippies and then the butter eyeshadow palette that they also released. Be sure to go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and subscribe down below if you've not already, because we're about to get into it, baby. So when you open it up, here's what the palette looks like. It is beautiful. She actually designed this to have this little cover thingy in here. That way it would keep the top clean, but honestly I'm probably going to end up cutting this off because that's just going to drive me nuts. So in the palette it comes with a bronzer. That's just the original butter bronzer. Copper Cabana, which is a butter blush, which I don't have any of their butter blushes, so I'm excited about this. And then a limited edition butter highlighter that's called Just Beachy. And then you get 4 eyeshadows. 2 of them are limited edition. We have Do Not Disturb, No Filter, Tropic Like It's Hot, and Palms. You have one of the new lip products and Pop the Bubbly, and then one of the butter perfumes. And I watched her release video of this palette and she said that she like begged them into putting the perfume back in this palette to bring it back around for us, and I'm so excited. So guys, I'm just going to go ahead and do some quick swatches of this for you guys. It does have that really good buttery smell like we all know and love. So here is the butter bronzer, the blush in Copper Cabana. That is kind of deep for me. And then the highlighter that is called Just Beachy. That is stunning. I'm really excited about that. And then the eyeshadow in Do Not Disturb, which is just a really good nude eyeshadow. And then we have one that's called No Filter, and then Tropic Like It's Hot, and then the last one, Palms. So there are the swatches, and I am going to go ahead and swatch the lippy. It's like a shimmer, and I love shimmer lip products. So this is the shade Pop the Bubbly. There's it swatched up here. Super pretty. So those are all the swatches of the Physicians Formula X Casey Holmes palette. I already have on the Fenty Diamond Balm highlighter, and we're just going to go ahead and apply this over it, and you know, it is absolutely stunning. And I am going to go ahead and apply this lip product. So one thing I really do like about these butter, what are they called? What is this thing called? Butter lip creams, is that they apply so easily. Like, you can literally just go boom, 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 and you're done. Pop the Bubbly shade. I am so loving the shade. I am going to go ahead and swatch for you guys these extra 3 little lippies here that I picked up. This one is it's called Pink Kini, which these are super buttery and they almost appear as glosses when you put them on. Like, see how shiny that is? These are the 4 lip products right here. Super pretty. And then I have yet to dive into this eyeshadow palette, but I picked up the one that is called Tropical Days. Here's what it looks like. So there are some of the swatches of the Physicians Formula Butter palette. Now, this butter palette has some butter shades in it. It has, like, tell that there are 6 butter shades, 4 matte shades, and then one that looks like a shimmer shade, and then one that looks like a pressed like shimmer or glitter shade. So that is going to be it for this video, guys. I just wanted to do a swatching video for you guys, kind of give you a quick my thoughts on it. I think these are going to be some very beautiful colors, and they felt really smooth when I was swatching them. I'm excited about this collection. Congratulations to Casey Holmes on creating this. I'm so excited for you, girl, even though you're probably not going to watch this, but you know, y'all, please don't forget that you are absolutely stunning. Bye guys, thanks for watching.
Hey guys, so if you haven't subscribed already, then click the circular icon in the middle. Or if you want to watch another great video, then click the one on the left or the one on the right.